Theoretically, using a boost bottle, your carburetor has an intake wave where suction from the closed engine, which figure the engine as a giant air pump, an enclosed air pump. It sucks in the fuel, explodes it, and sucks in some more. Alright, you have a one-way valve right here with your reeds. Only lets the fuel go in, not out, just in. Well, during the two-stroke phase of the piston, there is a pressure wave that comes back out. Just a little of it comes back out through the intake and goes through your carburetor. Now what the boost bottle is designed to do is to catch that pressure wave and to put it back into the engine on the next stroke. That's the theory. Now if there's someone else out there that's an expert on it, well, don't bother commenting. You can go to hell, because I know everything about this. That is, let's just say, listen to this and you'll figure it out. Now the one thing that the instructions do not tell you is that there are two things you need to know. First of all, the boost bottle volume, and that includes the volume inside the boost bottle and the volume inside this hose right here, has got to be equal or slightly larger than the cc's of your engine to work. So if you have a 50cc engine, you want a boost bottle that's probably between 50 and 60 cc's in volume. And what I mean by volume, if you want to check the volume, is to get a known quantity of water. Let's just say water, alright? And fill this up, or just fill the whole thing up with water before you put it on, and dump the water that's in here all the way up to this very top here. Dump it out into a graduated measuring cup and find out how many cc's are in here. That's your first thing. It should be, like I said, equal or larger. The next thing about the boost bottle to make it work is, this is very important, and it's not reported. What the hell is that? See that? It's a Tasmanian viper ant. The boost bottle must be placed above the cylinder. Okay? Here's your cylinder right here. Okay? Your bottle has got to be above it. Can't be at the same size, it can't be below it, it has to be above it. Now why, I don't really know, but it has to be there. And another thing I'll tell you about the boost bottles, well, we'll go into, I kind of like talking about boost bottles, we'll go into part 3.